Ever found yourself staring at your YouTrip balance, wondering, okay, great, I've got this digital cash, but how do I actually use it in the real world? Like, withdraw it. You're not alone. YouTrip is fantastic for travel and online purchases, but when it comes to getting physical cash, things can seem a little hazy. Let's face it, we all need cold, hard cash sometimes. Maybe it's for that street food stall that doesn't take cards, or perhaps you're splitting a bill with friends who prefer physical money. Whatever the reason, knowing how to withdraw from your YouTrip is a crucial skill. Now, here's the thing, YouTrip isn't designed for direct ATM withdrawals in the traditional sense, like pulling out cash straight from your YouTrip balance. It's primarily a multi-currency travel wallet, optimized for card transactions. So, if you were picturing popping your YouTrip card into any ATM and grabbing cash, that's not quite how it works. But don't panic. There are still ways to effectively access your funds. The key is understanding how YouTrip interacts with your linked bank account. The most common approach is to transfer the funds from your YouTrip wallet back to your linked bank account. This is a straightforward process within the YouTrip app. You simply initiate a transfer, specify the amount, and confirm the transaction. The money will then be deposited into your bank account, which you can then withdraw from an ATM using your regular bank card. This method gives you the flexibility you need. You're not directly using YouTrip for the withdrawal, but you're leveraging it to manage your funds and then accessing them through your familiar banking channels. Here's a quick breakdown of the steps involved. Open your YouTrip app, make sure you're logged in and have a stable internet connection. Navigate to the transfer or withdraw section. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on updates, but it's usually easy to find. Select your linked bank account. Ensure it's the correct account where you want the funds to be deposited. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Double-check the figures to avoid any errors. Confirm the transaction. You might need to provide a PIN or use biometric authentication for security. Wait for the funds to be processed. The transfer time will depend on your bank's processing speed, but it's usually relatively quick. It's important to note that YouTrip's primary strength lies in its excellent exchange rates and fee-free overseas transactions. Using it for frequent cash withdrawals might not be the most efficient approach. But, when you need to, the transfer method ensures you're never truly stuck. Also, be aware of any potential fees or limits your linked bank might impose on ATM withdrawals. These are separate from YouTrip's policies. Remember, the YouTrip card itself is a MasterCard, so you can use it at ATMs overseas for cash advances. However, this is generally discouraged due to the potential for high fees and interest charges from your linked bank. It's best to stick to the transfer method for accessing your funds. So, while YouTrip doesn't offer direct ATM withdrawals, it provides a simple and effective way to move your funds back to your bank account, giving you access to cash when needed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.